Cherry? Tore?
Hello, teacher.
What's my name, teacher? Teacher? Teacher D. Okay, how are you?
I'm happy.
Very good. How old are you?
I'm 5 years old.
Very good. Are you happy? Are you happy? Yes? Happy? What food do you like? I like
I like cookies.
cookies. What animal do you like? I like fish. Wow, I love fish too. Are you ready for the speaking test? Ready? Okay, now look at that, Cherry. This is my... What is this? This is my... Next.
This is my tummy.
Good job. Next. What is this? This is...
This is my mouth.
Next.
This is my nose.
Nose. Can you show me your nose? Touch your nose.
No.
Touch your head. Head. Touch your head. Touch your eyes. Eyes. Touch your mouth. Okay, good job. Next. What are these? They are... Tone?
They are my feet.
Okay, next. They are...
They are my eyes.
Can you show me your eyes? Where are your eyes? Show me your eyes. Good job. Next, what are these? They are...
They are my head.
Okay, show me your hands. Show me your arms. Arms. They are my arms. They are my arms. Okay, arms. Arms. Okay. Next. They are my
They are my feet.
feet. Okay. Good job. Next. Do you want... What's this?
This is my lollipop.
This is my...
Apple.
Do you like lollipops? Yes, please. Do you like... Do you want ice cream?
The leaf.
Yes, please. Good job. Next, what's this?
Water.
It's water. Next.
It's juice.
Next,
It's caffeine.
coffee.
Coffee.
Do you want some water?
The leaf.
Yes, please. Next, do you want some juice?
The leaf.
Do you want some coffee?
The leaf.
Yes, please. Okay, next, tell me. What Papa says? Papa? Very good. Next, what Tuck says? Very nice. Next, which one is Ben? Can you tell me here? Which one is Ben? Ben. Yes? Ah, good job. Next, which one is Stretch? Wow, say the word stretch. Next, which one is put your arms down? Wow, great job. Next, which one is drink the juice? This one? Okay, hold on. Wait a minute. Can you say it again? Drink. Oh no. Yay! Great job. Okay, now eat the cake. Oh, there's only one top. Only one top. Okay, no. Eat the cake. Good job. Next. Next. Which one is take the present? Okay. Stop. What? What's this? Okay. The end. Say thank you and goodbye to teacher. Thank you, teacher. Goodbye, teacher. Go.
Thank you, teacher. Goodbye,
again? Okay, give me high five. Boom.